Hey guys, we're here today at the Apple Store. Aaron has no idea what we're here for. What we're doing today is we're gonna surprise him. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna buy him a brand new iPhone XS Max, which is the newest of the new. And then this weekend, we're gonna surprise him with the brand new phone. And then we're gonna snatch it right out of his hands and we're gonna turn it into a skateboard and hopefully do some really cool tricks on an iPhone XS Max. Let's go buy an iPhone. Should I just ask the guy if they're cool with us filming in there? I mean, I'm gonna tell him we're gonna buy an iPhone, so he better not freak out on it. All right, whatever. Hey, so we called earlier, we wanted to buy an XS Max.
Yeah.
I also wanted to check if it's cool if we film in here or if we should just film from outside.
Yeah, it's cool. You guys
It's cool?
there. Yeah.
We're good. So what we're doing is we're buying an XS Max,
Okay.
and then we're gonna turn it into a skateboard.
Turn it into a skateboard.
Yes, and we're gonna drill into it, put trucks on it, and hopefully kickflip it.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Just hang tight over here for me for now. Once
Okay.
we have someone free up, I'm gonna send them to you guys.
Thank you
okay?
so much.
I'm worried about the battery.
The battery? Oh no, what if it explodes?
Yeah.
Gabe, nice to meet you. We are trying to turn an iPhone into a skateboard. So we need an XS Max and 64 gigs.
Color preference?
What would you choose?
Silver, probably.
All right, we'll go with the silver.
Silver?
We'll go with the silver.
Did you want to get Apple Care for that too as well?
We'll probably go without the Apple Care. Apple Care is not gonna save it where this thing's going.
All right, so it's gonna be 1,266 cents.
Dang, I was $1 off. We'll leave a little remembrance of our visit here. Rail skateboarding, #1 search, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So that's what it's gonna look like. Brilliant.
That was a little bit weird.
Thank you. All right, hey, thank you so much. You have a good one. We got the iPhone, and we're gonna go surprise Aaron with it now. He has no idea that we just got him this. He doesn't know anything about this video. It's gonna be exciting. Aaron, just get seated, ready to go, okay? Oh, baby. Would you look at that? Brand new, in the package, iPhone XS Max. And we're gonna go give it to Aaron, and he's gonna then drill through it, turn it into a skateboard, and we're gonna freaking monster flip it. Don't you worry about it, Carlos.
I think I know what it is.
Don't you worry about it. All right, Aaron, you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Oh no, this is what I want to keep. I want to just use this phone.
Do you want to know how much it was?
No, I don't want to know how much it was. I want to just use this.
Okay.
I'm just going to switch it out.
No.
We can skate on this
No.
phone. Yeah, it's fun. I'm going to keep it.
Okay, I'll say that it was at least $12. Maybe add 2 zeros and
No.
66 cents.
No, we can't skate on that. I
Yep.
can't skate on that. No way.
Yep.
Let's skate on this. This is 6.
You've done an
Yeah.
iPhone 6 before.
Oh, you definitely need an upgrade.
The only thing I really need for this video is like an ASMR shot of you opening the box and just hearing that.
Well, I just put on the sunscreen and I can't open anything. It's like,
Look at all the sunscreen.
Oh yes. Aaron, you need to go wash your hands.
I think there's air in there now.
Wow.
we can't skate this,
We're
guys.
saying this, Aaron.
No, we can't.
Yes, we are.
I usually see the thing that I like about the older iPhones is it has a button. Ah,
I'm so upset about this right now.
same. Yeah, seriously, can I just keep this?
I'm sorry, no.
Quick start. Quick start. Set it manually. Quick start. Ah!
We're ready.
So this phone came out like a month ago. This is like not worth it. I'm just gonna keep the phone and we can skate on my
No,
old
since
one.
it's already a month old, you know, the new one's already gonna come out, so you can just get the new one.
And nobody cares about this.
No. I did ask the employees at Apple where the batteries are. Pretty much the battery takes up this entire portion of the phone, so there's no way we can avoid it.
This is the single saddest day of my life. I really, really, really want to keep this phone for myself.
Hey, Luke,
Could
get a
tray
phone flip on it.
first try.
Oh, what?
You better not break it.
Yeah, like that one.
Oh!
I don't know what to say. I'm
Just
sorry.
Send it.
All of iPhone enthusiasts. Let's drill a hole in this. Do you think it's gonna light on fire? Like the Samsung?
Yes, I do.
Oh!
Oh
Doesn't
gosh, there's no
pain
screen
yourself?
protector on it.
No, there's not. I'm just marking it.
Oh.
It didn't even mark. It literally didn't even
Wait,
scratch.
dude.
I need a Sharpie, yeah.
Is it unmarkable?
Yeah, you can't mark it, you can't drill it. I'm telling you, smoke, fire, and explosions are about to occur. Whatever.
Barely
Let's
made
go
a
to the
mark.
grass. Dude, the strongest iPhone ever! Stop mocking me!
Come on, Aaron, put some anger into it.
Stop yelling at me! Is that scary?
Something launched right in my eye. Oh, something doesn't smell good.
No. Give me those glasses, Gabe.
No way.
Oh, wow.
Oh, the battery's getting hot.
Oh, jeez. Some say that was satisfying. I think not.
Oh, watch, look at the screen, look at the screen. Oh.
What in the world? Hardware? What a team. It's on!
No,
it's fully on! Siri? Hello? Hello?
Oh, it's sparked! It's sparked! Wow. Look at that level of precision.
It's definitely crooked.
That's what Steve Jobs would have wanted.
True.
Okay, that part I feel like was sort of like the safe part. The next part is where the battery is.
Yeah.
Oh,
Kind of looks good.
kind of does look good, doesn't it?
I like the red.
What if you did it on the case? So you put the trucks on the case and put the case on the phone.
Genius.
Wow, let's redo this.
We'll just do it again. We'll just get a brand new one.
No! I really did want to keep this phone,
I know.
by the way. I do gotta say something though.
What?
The Samsung fully lit on fire with smoke everywhere, and none of the iPhones did that. I'm not getting in on this whole controversy, but I'm just saying.
You just did.
Well, I think that's good enough for a few tricks. Wow, ain't she a beaut?
Look at that.
See if it turns on still.
I don't think so.
Okay, the trucks are really on there though. Pretty solid. It's a very sad day. I really, really wanted to keep this phone. I'm just gonna keep saying that because I'm really sad about it. I don't know if the trucks are on straight enough to ride. Let's give it a wang danga. Oh, wow. And it turns.
Aaron, why are you so good at that?
It's not my first day.
Wow.
Carlos on the big ball.
Oh, that's pretty.
Should we monster flip it?
I think you should write it down some banks first before you start monster flipping it.
Why? You
'Cause I
think it's gonna break?
I think it might.
It's not gonna break, dude. This is the new iPhone.
No. I think the phone will be fine. I think the trucks are gonna come off though.
I'm gonna land this first try.
Not on that hill.
Oh no! I'm not taking it straight to that. Are you
You
crazy?
can take down whatever you want. Wait, look how small it is. It's just such a little tiny thing.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a spider.
It is a
Looks like a
spider.
spider web, dude.
It's terrifying.
Oh, come on, Aaron. You got this. You're a professional. Professional iPhone skater from the San Francisco Bay Area.
First try.
Oh!
Carlos, get my back, please.
Oh, God.
Oh!
See?
Yeah.
I'd rather monster flip it, really.
One more try.
Wow.
No comment. No
How do you
comment.
do that?
All it has is a little bit of dust. It's holding up incredibly well. Monster flip. You want a monster flip off, Fetty? I almost called him Kelly.
Oh!
Fetty, you want to give it a run?
Don't break it. Look at you. The iPhone mall grab.
It's just natural. What else are you gonna do? Grab it on the part that's gonna explode and blow your hand off?
Yeah.
No. Full safety, full goodness. It's perfect. The iPhone mall grab. Wow, look at all that dust though.
Clean that off. Wow.
Ew. Shards of glass are going into my skull. I'm gonna give this a full college try. Oh, wow. Hello? Mom? All right, yeah, I got it, thanks.
Oh.
All right, Fetty, do this for me. All right, guys, how many tries will this take Fetty? Leave it in the comments below with hashtag notification squad. Make sure you're subscribed, like this video, share it, and leave that in the comment below, and we'll pick one of the people who did that and send you a very special Braille prize package. Let's go, notification squad! Pow!
Wow.
I think you got it.
Oh. Oh no.
Definitely
me
broke
is the-
more and more. Look at that.
I'm afraid to try and land on everything.
You are?
I'm not.
One more try, then Carlos. No!
Oh.
How the heck do you guys do this?
We should just shove it.
I actually think a shove it might be harder.
Oh.
Wow.
Whoa. Oh.
Wow. Wow.
This is the right side. Gotta know.
Oh.
What in the world?
Oh.
Fetty, please.
Alright, I got it. I feel like I'm like rolling.
Oh no, Fetty.
Damage report.
That's good. We're fine.
It's fully split apart.
No, no.
You're lying.
Oh yeah, you're fine.
Go back to the zoo because you were lying.
We wrote down a couple things.
That counts, right? That counts for something.
Okay, I got you.
One more.
Oh!
No, Fetty, no.
I'm trying to flatten it out.
Boy, it's cracked.
Oh, that was it.
More power.
5% less power.
More power.
No less power.
Oh!
That was the right amount of power.
Same power.
Replicate the same power!
More.
Once again.
More power.
Alright, 45% more power.
Ooh, that didn't sound good.
It's getting worse and
That
worse.
was my ankle. Calm down.
Oh!
have to use that weird like camera.
50%.
Not 15.
More power.
Alright, let's go first. Leave me alone.
Oh! Oh! He's gone! He's gone! Yes! He's gone! I'm giving everyone high fives. I didn't even do anything. Wow!
It's an iPhone.
Wow!
That was the right amount of power, mate.
Oh! Let's see that slow-mo, mate.
Alright, let's go first. Leave me alone.
Oh! Oh! He's gone! He's gone! That was an iPhone XS Max freaking monster flip. Are you kidding me?
Let's go
All right.
try something else real quick.
That was a first in history.
That will probably never be done again.
Nope,
Axle
never.
stall on the small one, I guess.
He's gonna axle stall on the small one.
Axis all drop in. Dude, it is fully rainbowing right now. Wow.
Damage report.
Oh! Are you sure?
No. Oh, I saw you guys. Oh God.
It's like there's no risk
There's
if
no-
it flies away because it's just a tiny little iPhone.
It's like there is risk because it tried to take out my ankles.
If you can make it past that line, Carlos, I'll count it.
It's not possible.
Not possible?
No way.
Give it one more wang
I'll
danger.
just shove it, wait.
Ooh!
Okay, look at it. I'll land to shove it.
Oh! Wait, let me try this. I need to say I've skated on an iPhone XS
Yeah,
Max.
get in this.
Oh my god, this is amazing. This is the best thing I've ever done. This is the best day of my entire existence.
Is he manually?
Yes.
Manually.
With a slice of pizza.
Are you ready for this? This is my moment. This is my time to shine.
That was impressive.
All right, I'm gonna land a shove, and then I'm gonna go home. No, Steve Jobs, this is for you.
Do it for the boy.
Oh! Oh, that was a proper
He's
one
beginning to believe.
Oh! Oh, Uzi, Uzi.
That was a
Uzi.
That was a count.
Right here. No, Gabe. Oh! Ah, what was
My
that?
shoe cushioned your landing.
Wow.
Why aren't you wearing a shoe? Because my feet are hot.
Oh my gosh, it's right there. Whoa!
Oh, that was a tray flip. Is that a land? Wait.
Wait, what? What?
Oh. Uh-oh, we lost a piece. You lost a piece.
Oh, no.
You lost the corner. The sharp poked me in the finger.
Oh!
All right, well, I'm very sad that we had to destroy this iPhone, but very glad that you joined us for this video here today. Leave it in the comments below. Are you an iPhone fan or a Samsung fan? Or do you just like to watch skateboard videos? Either way, we like you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate every single one of you. The whole point of all of this craziness is that you guys learn to skateboard. So you can go to brailleskateboarding.com, you can get a skateboard, you can get learn to skateboard videos. We have the most comprehensive how to skateboard videos ever made. They're very, very, very good, and they've taught a lot of people how to skateboard. So those are available at brailleskateboarding.com. Get your skateboarding on. It's never too late to start skateboarding. Never, never, never too late to start. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a blast watching it. We had a blast making it for you. Go #notification squad. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Make sure to watch all the other videos in this playlist, and we'll see you in the next video.